In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive Sync with Microsoft Teams and SharePoint files. This process is a fantastic way to ensure that all of your important documents and files are easily accessible and kept in sync across your various platforms and devices. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once Teams is up and running, navigate to your community channel. This is a central place where you collaborate with your whole team, and it's where you'll manage the files you want to sync. When you're in your desired channel, you might notice that if you head to the Files tab, there isn't a visible sync button. But don't worry, that's actually a good thing. It indicates that your Microsoft Teams are already set up to auto-sync with your OneDrive. This hidden sync function is a feature that simplifies file management, cutting down on the manual syncing steps you need to take. To show you how this sync works, let's start a new post within your channel. When you begin a post, click on the paperclip icon, often labeled as attach file. This will allow you to upload a file from your device. Upload the file of your choice, and you can also type a message to accompany the file in your post. Once you're ready, click on Post. Next, to confirm that your file is successfully uploaded, click on the Files tab again. Here, you'll be able to see the file you just uploaded. Now, let's head over to OneDrive to continue the sync process. Open OneDrive on your computer or web browser and navigate to My Files. Inside, you'll see a folder named Microsoft Teams Chat Files. This folder contains all files shared through Teams chats, and it's automatically kept in sync thanks to OneDrive. By clicking on this folder, you can see the file you uploaded just moments ago. This automatic syncing feature ensures all your shared files are easily accessible from OneDrive at any time, without any additional steps. Finally, for those using SharePoint, the process to sync files is a bit different, but still straightforward. Start by signing into your organization's SharePoint site. Once signed in, navigate to the document library that you want to keep synced. Look for the sync button in the toolbar and select it. This will initiate a sync between the SharePoint document library and your local OneDrive, keeping your SharePoint files readily available on all your synced devices. And there you have it, a seamless way to keep your Microsoft Teams and SharePoint files in sync with OneDrive, ensuring all your team collaboration documents are up to date and accessible.